Did you know your morning sip could transform your health? In the realm of morning rituals, the choice between coffee, tea, or hot chocolate is a personal one. However, have you ever considered the captivating allure of hibiscus tea? Legend has it that even Cleopatra, the iconic Egyptian queen, partook in this vibrant concoction to enhance her legendary beauty. Today, let's embark on a journey through the rich history and myriad benefits of hibiscus tea, exploring why it's becoming more than just a social media fad. Originating from the picturesque landscapes of North Africa and Southeast Asia, hibiscus tea is not merely a beverage, it's a sensory experience. With its tart and cranberry-like flavor, this tea has captured the attention of enthusiasts worldwide. Contrary to popular belief that it's an exclusive offering of high-end coffee shops, brewing a delicious cup of hibiscus tea at home is a surprisingly simple endeavor. Now, let's explore in detail the enchanting benefits of hibiscus tea, uncovering its wonders for heart health, blood pressure regulation, and skin radiance. Number 1. Blood pressure management and heart health. In the realm of holistic health, hibiscus tea shines as a promising ally against hypertension, a widespread concern affecting nearly half of the adult population in the United States. Rigorous clinical studies affirm its capacity to recalibrate heart health, clear arterial pathways, and effectively lower blood pressure. While the potential benefits are substantial, individuals under blood pressure medications must exercise caution, consulting healthcare professionals for personalized guidance. This precautionary step ensures the avoidance of any possible interactions and guarantees the safe integration of hibiscus tea into their routine, unlocking its full potential for cardiovascular well-being. Number 2. Hydration properties and skin nourishment. Hibiscus tea transcends its delectable flavor, evolving into a caffeine-free hydration option that bestows a revitalizing daily H2O infusion. Its antioxidant-rich profile, notably featuring anthocyanins, positions this beverage as a stalwart defender of skin health, actively combating the adverse effects of aging. The infusion of myricetin and vitamin C within hibiscus tea further amplifies its skin-centric attributes, fostering nourishment and facilitating the turnover of skin cells. This holistic elixir, extending beyond a mere beverage, emerges as a comprehensive solution, providing not only a pleasurable drink but also a natural avenue for achieving and sustaining radiant skin. Number 3. Liver health and detoxification. The liver, an indefatigable organ, assumes a vital role in detoxifying the body. Hibiscus tea, laden with antioxidants, emerges as a natural ally in fortifying liver health. Studies suggest a decrease in liver fat accumulation in individuals regularly consuming hibiscus extract. This revelation elevates hibiscus tea beyond its aesthetic appeal, portraying it as a defender of internal organs. Its potential to mitigate liver fat deposition underscores its multifaceted benefits, marking it as a beverage that not only pleases the senses but also actively contributes to the well-being of essential bodily functions. Number 4. Weight management and an hourglass figure. Scientific studies unravel hibiscus tea's role beyond a mere weight loss trend. A 12-week study showcased significant reductions in body weight, body mass index, body fat, and hip-to-waist ratio among participants. Hibiscus tea stands out as a potential ally for individuals striving to attain their desired physique, emphasizing its credible impact on body composition. Beyond its refreshing taste, hibiscus tea becomes a noteworthy inclusion in the toolkit of those navigating the path to weight management. The study's findings underscore the tea's potential to contribute meaningfully to individuals' efforts in achieving and maintaining a healthier body. Number 5. Cholesterol control. Within the realm of cholesterol management, hibiscus tea emerges as a pivotal player, demonstrating its effectiveness by not only decreasing bad cholesterol but also elevating levels of good cholesterol while concurrently reducing triglycerides. Its adaptability extends to serving as an apt post-workout beverage, offering a holistic approach to cardiovascular health. Hibiscus tea stands as a versatile ally, providing a multifaceted strategy for individuals keen on maintaining optimal cholesterol levels and promoting overall heart well-being. Embracing hibiscus tea goes beyond relishing its distinctive taste; it becomes a proactive choice for a heart-healthy lifestyle. Number 6. Cancer prevention with anthocyanins. Hibiscus tea's vibrant magenta color is a testament to its polyphenol content, notably anthocyanins, renowned for potent antioxidant properties. This infusion of compounds presents a robust defense against cancer-causing free radicals, positioning hibiscus tea as a straightforward, homemade safeguard against stomach and prostate cancers. Its role transcends being merely a beverage, emerging as a proactive choice for those seeking a natural shield against potential health threats. By embracing hibiscus tea, individuals not only savor a delightful cup but also fortify their well-being with the inherent protective qualities of this colorful elixir. Number 7. Menstrual health and cramp reduction. In the realm of natural remedies for menstrual cramps, hibiscus tea takes center stage, offering potential relief for individuals grappling with this monthly challenge. Its diuretic properties work to combat bloating, while simultaneously providing hydration benefits. Beyond mere physical effects, the tea exerts a calming influence on the uterus and bladder. This amalgamation of attributes positions hibiscus tea as a holistic solution, addressing not just the symptoms but also the overall discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. Choosing hibiscus tea becomes a mindful step toward embracing the therapeutic potential of nature in navigating the nuances of feminine well-being. Number 8. Diabetic Friendly elixir. Embracing the realm of diabetic-friendly beverages, hibiscus tea emerges as an ally in managing blood sugar levels, showcasing its remarkable ability to decelerate the progression of diabetes. Positioned as a suitable choice for pre-diabetics, it comes with a crucial caveat: opting for the beverage sans added sugars and sweeteners. This floral infusion not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also stands as a testament to the potential synergy between flavor and health. Choosing hibiscus tea becomes more than a mere beverage preference; it becomes a conscious step towards supporting metabolic well-being and fostering a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Number 9. Immune boosting. Shifting from a delightful beverage to an immune-boosting powerhouse, hibiscus tea harnesses the anti-inflammatory might of anthocyanins. This infusion proves effective against a spectrum of bacterial infections, providing a shield from urinary tract to respiratory issues. Its adaptability in fortifying the immune system underscores the holistic benefits of indulging in this vibrant and flavorful tea. Embracing hibiscus tea transcends mere refreshment, inviting a journey into a realm of wellness where each sip contributes to the body's resilience against infections, presenting a delightful blend of health and taste. As with any potent elixir, moderation is key. Excessive consumption of hibiscus tea may lead to adverse effects such as headaches, upset stomach, and more. To reap the optimal benefits while avoiding potential pitfalls, it's recommended to limit daily intake to 720 milliliters. In conclusion, the journey through the world of hibiscus tea unveils a myriad of benefits, transforming it from a morning ritual to a holistic elixir. From cardiovascular health to radiant skin. If you found the information in this video valuable and it resonated with you, we encourage you to hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support not only motivates us to create more engaging and informative content, but also helps build a community of individuals passionate about health and wellness. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, ensuring you don't miss out on valuable insights and tips. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more knowledge with you in the future.